Hello people, in this video, I'm going to explain a most important concept in MySQL, that is order by. Order by, the name itself is explaining it is nothing but sorting. If we have multiple items without any order, we can use this order by to sort out in a specific order. Like either it may be starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on, or it may be starting from 100, 99, 98, and so on, 0. So either it may be ascending or it may be in descending. Whichever it may be, we can specify this particular order using order by clause. When it comes to the syntax is pretty much simple. We use select statement. Whenever we want to use order by, we have to use this select statement. And imagine I'm using select from my table here. Now this time, I have to use order by specify that particular column name. Which column that you want to sort, you have to mention that particular column name. If you don't mention any order, that is ascending order, descending, by defaultly it assumes you want to sort it in a ascending order if you don't mention any order specifically. But if you want to mention any order specifically, you can also do that. For example, select star from table order by column name. Here you can mention specifically like DESC, descending order. If you can mention this thing, then what happens? MySQL get to know that we want to sort this particular column in a descending order. Otherwise, if you don't mention this DESC specifically, it assumes that we want to sort it in ascending order by defaultly. If you don't mention anything here, any keyword, if you don't mention any keyword, it automatically assumes that you want to sort it in a ascending order. If you mention anything specifically like this, it executes the thing that you have ordered. Now let's jump back to this workbench to execute in some real world scenarios. Okay, so as usually, we can just look at what are the contents of our table. So control enter. Now we have all these things. Okay, imagine this is the first name. In the first row, the employee name is Aman. In the second row, the employee name is Gopi. In the third row, Lakshman, and in the fourth row, Abhishek. So by looking at this data, I can surely say it doesn't have any order. If you want me to sort this, then what I can do is I will do select star from employees. I can specifically mention order by first underscore name and semicolon. If I don't put any keyword here after my column name, then it automatically assumes that we want to sort this particular column in an ascending order. So when I press Control Enter, this particular column, that is first name, would definitely get sorted in an ascending order. I mean to say, after Aman, it would definitely show Abhishek and then Bhuvan, etc. Okay, just have a look. See here. So my first name has got sorted out. My first name has got sorted out in ascending order. Akash, Abhishek, Abhi. When you look at this Akash, that is the first row, I mean to say, here it is Akash, and here after that it is Abhishek, Abhishek again, because here we have two Abhisheks. One Abhishek is having a last name, different last name, that is Abhishek Sharma, and he is Abhishek Fadnavis. So there are two Abhisheks, so that's why in a ascending order, it has mentioned all the two Abhisheks. Okay, so this would be the output for our uh, use case order by. Okay, okay. Now let's do some quick activity. Now this is ascending. Okay, what if we want to do the same thing but in descending order? I want to sort my column but not in ascending but in descending manner. Then how to do that? Simply by using order by first name DESC. If I press Control Enter, see here, I have got the first row as Asmin and then Yasir and Vikas, Velur, Vani, Usman, Uzwal, Uddam. See, all the way till Akash at the last position because we are actually doing the descending order, that is from greater to the largest to the smallest. Okay. So now we have got the data in the descending order manner. Okay. Now, uh, if we want to sort both the columns, then what to do that? Like how to do that? If we want to sort both the columns, then we have to pass both the columns. For example, select star from employees, order by first name. I want to sort my entire table based on this particular column first. Okay. After that, I want to sort the last name. Okay. Now, if I press descending order, Control Enter. See here, Yasmin, Nair, Khan. So first, it will sort this particular column. After that, it follows last name, followed by last name. Let's see here what happens if we give ascending order. See here, first I have given first name as descending and the last name as ascending. Okay, even if I pass this ascending order for my last name, it won't work because the entire table will get sorted out based on the first column that you pass. Imagine here you have passed descending, the entire table structure of the entire table representation will get followed with this descending order itself because here I have passed descending. So that's the reason why I am getting this Yasmin, Yasir and all. And these last names are the corresponding last names of these particular people, first name, like as Yasmin and Yasir. So that's the reason. So I mean to say, whatever you pass here, the entire table will only be following this particular order. So no matter if you mention ascending or descending here, that won't get considered. Okay. Let's see another thing. Select from employees, order by. I want to sort based on this manager ID. So I'm passing manager underscore ID ascending, no, descending, because by defaultly it assumes ascending. So that's why I'm specifically mentioning descending. I press Control Enter. See here, it has sorted out my entire table based on this manager ID. 229 is the highest among all the manager IDs. So that's why it has given this 229 in the first place because I have mentioned descending in the sense greater to smallest. So when you scroll down, it would give me the most basic value in this entire manager ID. So this is the use case of order by. In the next video, I'll be explaining about limit and offset, which are pretty much important. I thought of covering those two topics in this video itself, but that's a kind of separate topic. So I'm planning to make a separate video for that. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.